Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add stock media to your Google Vids projects. So one of the really great things about Google Vids is you have access to a ton of stock media that you can use in your Google Vids project. So if you're on a specific scene and you want to add some stock media, or you're just not sure what's available, click on Insert, go to Stock and Web. And then this will give you all of the different stock media that you have access to. You can search, you can filter by type, videos, stock images, music, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, Google Images, all sorts of different options here. Scroll down, you can see the different types available. If you see something, I want sound effects, you can click on the arrow and it will show you all the sound effects, which then you can filter even more. Just an absolute ton of different media resources here available in the stock collection in Google Vids. Have at it. Whatever you need, you're probably going to find it there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.